This is the dollar store on 41 north of Piggly, Smoking Pig. I don't know why I always want to call it Piggly. And here's the houses right next door. And you can see the tornado came right through here. You can see back there power lines and trees snapped. The Dollar General store is closed. I suppose there's no power out here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get through here because there's a big traffic jam. I already had to go out of my way and go up the Clientville Road to leave the house because I couldn't get down Valdosta Road. So we're going to go out here and see what happens. And as you can see, there's some destroyed trees down there next to some poor person out there cleaning up his house. There's a great big tree down. It looks like it actually fell across the road. I'm going to drive over some power lines. Look at the aluminum that's in the trees from blowing with the storm. There's somebody's house. Look at the tree over the house there. This is my area. This is where I travel. I think this is the storm that hit this morning that I heard in my sleep, but rolled over and thought, oh well. Wow. Amazing.